Thursday, August 27. Ito yung dinner namin. Homemade chicken fingers. Mag-rock kami tonight. Si Jan, si Sax, si Holly nag-request ulit sila ng sticky rice for dessert or biko. Gagawin ko pa yung topping niya. Okay. Oh.
So I got 35.
Yeah, okay.
Where's it all gone?
What?
It was big. Falling out.
Yeah.
I'll spread it with the spoon.
Not that one, babe. Those wooden, please.
Can we eat it later?
Yeah.
Can we eat it now?
Good evening. Yes, good evening na guys. Mag-alas 6 na, 5:53. We're on the way to Animal para i-drop off namin yung kids. Si Holly, kanina pinick up ko na si Holly. Tapos din drop off ko siya sa dance lesson niya. Tapos si Auntie Mal na magpipick up sa kanya para makapag-ready ako. Kasi alis tayo, magdi-dinner kami ni Jan. Well, actually, makakasama tayo. Kahapon, sabi niya sa akin, di ba kung maalala nyo, hindi kami nag-celebrate ng 13th wedding anniversary namin kasi sobrang busy ni Jan. Kahapon natapos niya nang gawin lahat ng pots kasi fishing na next weekend na Sunday. Sunday is your first day of fishing, ha?
Yeah, and I don't think we can go next Friday.
Why? Because of the weather? Sunday yung first talaga kasi September 1st, right? And also Father's Day din yun. But anyway, sabi niya sa akin kahapon, tapos na ako ng work ko, hindi na ako ganun ka-busy. Pwede na tayong mag-date for our wedding anniversary. Kasi ko, okay, kasi nga, sa sobrang busy, hindi tayo lang pag-celebrate kasi nataon ang anniversary namin kasagsagan ng pagpe-prepare niya ng boat, ng pots for fishing season. So, sabi niya, mag-date tayo today nga. Sabi ko, sige. Sabi ko, what time? Sabi niya, dinner tayo. Sabi ko, sige. Tapos sabi niya, pero may mga kasama tayo. Sabi ko, sino? Sabi niya, few couples. Sabi ko, okay. Tapos gumingiti siya nung sinasabi niya sa akin. Tapos later on, binawi niya. Sabi niya, ilalabas naman talaga kita. Kaso, nagkataon, may dinner din yung bumibili ng lobster sa amin, yung factory. Kasi every year, nagpapadinner talaga sila. Kung maalala nyo, sa The Barn din yun. Yung The Barn is one of the best na fine dining dito sa Mount Gambier. Siya talaga yung the best dito. So, sabi ko, okay, di makakalibre ka sa date natin. Sabi niya, oo. Sabi ko, sure, sabi ko, why not? Ang sarap dun, guys. Kaya excited na ako. What you gonna have, man? Wagyu?
No.
No? Oh, yun.
No, might go Filet.
Filet mignon?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Filet mignon. Masarap yun. Yung bacon and chicken. Yeah, so, libre yung aming aming wedding dinner date. Kasi, meron din na pa-dinner yung company. Kasi usually, ginaganap to. When was the last time, man? What month? Yeah, what month? July. Oo, July yung July kami nagpa-dinner sila July. Pero hindi ko alam bakit ngayong August nila ginawa. So, okay lang yun kasi para makalibre si Johnny Boy sa pa-date niya sa akin. And yung mga bata, kila Auntie Mal na sila matutulog. Tapos si Auntie Mal na maghahatid sa kanila bukas. Tapos ako pipikapin ko sila bukas. Si Holly lang pipikapin ko kasi may dancing si Holly. And pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ating OOTD. Ang gamit kong lipstick is yung Arcadia. Kalimutan ko lang yung shade niya, guys. Basta dalawa lang naman yun. So, ito yung medyo pinkish. Yung isa kasi para siyang may pagka brown, orange. So, ito yung medyo pinkish. Tapos, gamit ko yung lip liner na nabili ko sa Sephora sa Bali. Then, Scientific Dalba yung aking setting spray. And yung aking blush on is Sunny's Face. Tapos wala akong kilay. Hindi ako nakapagkilay. Hindi ko kasi mahanap yung aking stroke na pangkilay. Hindi ko lang kung saan ko nilagay, pero yan. And yun lang. Hindi ako nag-powder kasi alam niyo naman hindi ako nagpa-powder pag naglalagay akong cushion. Ayan sila. Hoy! Nadaanan namin yung school nila.
That was Miss Dixon right there.
And yan, si Johnny ba yan, kanyang OOTD. Ako mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo.
Well, can you get me a kiss statement?
Gusto mo sumama, Zach? Do you wanna come, Zach?
Oh yeah, like you went there once, didn't you, Zach?
Yeah.
Well, yeah,
Damn.
not.
Damn
No,
right.
not.
Yes.
Not. No,
Yes.
second time.
No,
hon.
we've done
We done it
No.
before.
No.
Kids.
Yeah, the kids, second
No.
time. Dito na tayo kala Auntie Mel. No, I have this. What's this box, Auntie Mel?
Huh?
What's this?
Mini bath.
Bath? Ah, hi.
Hi, buddy. As I pulled out and got out of my car, here comes Emma walking out of work.
Oh, okay, home. Andito na siya. Tell the guys what you got from Auntie Mel.
I got honey bun.
Show it to them. How many shades? Is it different flavor, Auntie Mel? But just
5.
I should have saved it for your birthday next
I
month.
know.
Got
Show it,
strawberry.
show it, show it.
Strawberry.
So,
Oh, we got
yeah.
the new one.
I like it. It's nice.
Was it the vanilla we wanted?
Ito siya,
Yeah,
guys.
this one's
Ayan.
vanilla.
Honey bomb. Ayan. So, meron
There's a
siyang 4, 5, 6 to. Yung isa nasa kanya na.
There was 6, but
Yeah.
one was mine, the vanilla was mine.
Ah, Auntie Mel got the vanilla.
As well, to add to my collection.
Ah. Is that the honey?
The coconut.
That's coconut.
That's coconut. So, coconut. What else?
Got
Go vlog. You said you want to vlog. Okay, here.
cherry.
Ulitin niya raw.
So we got the honey bomb from my Auntie Mel. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lip balms. And we have this little card. that
Tell all the
comes with-
flavors. Show the flavors.
We've got coconut, which I think Honey Mel's gonna have. We got chocolate. Got cherry. Vanilla. And last one we got strawberry.
So, thanks, Auntie Mel.
Auntie Mel.
Okay, put it in the box. Ito yung OOTD natin. Namatay kanina. Oops. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. Kung ayaw nyo, skip nyo na lang tong part. So, yung aking blazer, matagal na to sa akin. Pag nakita ko yung picture ko, pakita ko sa inyo. Basta ilang taon na to. Ito ay from H&M. Yung aking top na white is from Zara. Itong pants, hindi ko na kung saan to. Yung matagal na siya. Yung ating shoes. Ito, naka heels tayo. Ayan. Ayan yung shoes natin. And yung bag ko, pag may dinner kami dito, ito talaga lagi yung aking ginagamit. Ito yung, hindi ko alam kung ang tawag dito sa Chanel, guys. But, yeah. Vintage na to, guys. Super vintage na yan. Ayan. So, ito lagi kong dala pag mga ganitong ganap. So, yan yung ating OOTD, guys. Dito na tayo, guys. Nakapark na tayo.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay?
Thank you. With them?
Yep.
Thank you. So, meron tayo dito French martini. Si Jen hindi naman yung umiinom, so ako na lang iinom. Kasi siya naman yung magdadrive niya. Meron siyang vodka, pineapple, ano pa ba? Cranberries, and dried fruits. Yeah.
Yarra Valley.
What do you call?
Yarra Valley one.
Yarra Valley. Ayan. Ito yung sinerve nilang wine, white wine. So, ito siya. So, ito yung white wine. Nice. Yarra Valley.
You're gonna have oysters. Deb's not in it. What are you gonna do when what are you gonna do? Roll? You're gonna roll on your side.
Thank you.
So, yung starter is, yung kukunin ko, yung chef bruschetta of the day.
Yeah, it's not the pork back. Wow.
Garlic bread. Thank you.
Talk more about doing Marianne.
Got spring rolls.
You riding?
Oh, look at him, he's off.
Ito yung scallop. Ang sarap nitong scallop na to.
That tastes good, isn't it? Pretty good. She hasn't seen hardly any movies.
How come you got five?
You did?
Did you grab one of mine?
No.
If she did, I'll eat her.
You don't like it?
What is it?
This is the best part.
Oh, I thought it was shit, so I made it.
It's like chew its balls.
No, before, they had it on top. Remember? Top of the scallop.
They're a bit different.
Yeah.
There's nothing small. I need more from it.
Got my prosciutto.
No.
You can have it. I don't need it.
I'm savouring to be
There you go, have it.
the public this evening.
Where at?
Where we are. Because we're doing abalone.
How you going to do that?
Because now that we're doing abalone, we can.
Yeah, but how are you going to get them there?
What do you mean?
People always ask, but we never cook them.
Yeah, they.
And now that we
You
are.
want them to see that they can buy it there.
Yeah, I'm going to get a sign. Stick it to a truck and park it out the front.
Or if you know anyone on TikTok.
Or someone who's got a good YouTube channel.
Have you got, don't forget that sign you got to put up.
Yeah.
Well, that's the era of work I was over there. As soon as I look at the rock dirt road,
There's a my 2-year-old daughter sat up there with Dana one night with her.
See all that?
Yeah. Crayfish pate.
All through them, December, January, February,
Yeah.
even the Easter will
You got to cash in on that. And we've got our influencer over here.
Oh yeah.
She'll keep us going on socials.
Yeah.
True, if we can, yeah.
Did you just go away?
No, me and Mark been away for 14 days, and I think we were, then the last day at T1, we had 25 mil there. We were driving out from, but I asked for the smaller one.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thanks.
They hate us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
The last time I was at CDG,
That's mushroom. That'll be alright, mate.
the licensee had it.
So yung sauce natin is mushroom sauce and yung ating wagyu. And nag-order ulit ako ng French martini. Wala na akong mapaglagyan sa inyo guys kasi punong table natin. Oh.
You've been doing all the work getting ready.
trouble with those.
Used to make good accurate.
Every second night. So bring the come home and tell the station. That's legal. Friday night was a June night. And then lights. What are they? June North. So I kept driving forward.
What's that one? Chocolate pudding for Johnny Boy.
Oh, you can't eat it yet, John.
Johnny Boy.
She knows the rules.
That's what I first made it. Pulled me over in front of
What's that ice cream?
Yeah, ice cream. But yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
And dessert
There's a
natin.
bloke.
Thank you.
Friends of ours from the Morning Peninsula, UK, Canada, America.
I've said I would just say.
So you've been traveling?
Yeah, I've travelled a lot. A lot of Scottish people.
Oh, I'm so full. Hindi ko na ito kaya. I'm full. I'm full. Naubos ko yung aking martini. Guys, bahay na pala kami. 11:46 na. So yun na yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Yeah, you. 'Cause I always liked you. I wanna share